Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop, and to a video I really wasn't expecting to make. The original plan for this video was I had bought some copper pipe for doing brake lines and a brake line kit off eBay for around £28 in order to do the brakes on the Beetle, because I couldn't get the hard lines because they were all out of stock. The particular ones I was going to make some and have a go at it. And this video was originally planned that I'd use this little kit and we'll give it a first go, get some practice in, and then when I do the car I can just make the lines. Brilliant. Didn't quite go like that. I'm gonna jump forward to the video I shot yesterday when I did try to use this piece of crap, and I'll show you the problems I had with it. I was getting close up on this, so can you see there's too much play in this and too much play around the hole the pipe fits through. You can almost see, can you see the gaps on either side of it? Which means best will in the world, when this goes through here and sets, it's not going to be in the middle properly. So it's always going to be slightly over to one side. Add to that, you can see the misalignment top and bottom of this means getting these bolts in, this spacer bolting is going to be a nightmare. And I think I've already, I've got it once. I'm pretty sure, you can see it on that. I'm pretty sure that's not just the blacking that's gone off there. I think I've already started damaging the threads on this, try to get it to fit in there, because I can't align these correctly. Right, I don't think we can do much more with this. At least I've got all this stuff, which I'm going to need anyway. So this is okay. I think I need to go and get a decent tool. I thought this was a reasonably good one because the price, I don't know, because I've never used one of these before. One thing that did worry me was, and all the ones I've seen on YouTube, I was looking, they have a mark on here to say which end to use first, and this one doesn't. And they're all 16mm, and this one's a 70. Little things, and they had bolts in here rather than, say, Allen key ones, which means you can obviously get that tighter, and the fitment was a lot better. I mean, I remember these were like almost together when it was ready to go, and I don't think filing down the edges to get that to fit in is going to make any difference if this is out, because this needs to be tight before you put the bolt in, and if this is out because of general positioning, because there's too much slop in these two bolts, and best friend of all, that's never going to work, is it? Not lying to you, fairly disappointed because I was hoping to do the brakes. I might see if I can get onto Amazon and see if I can get a better make one, like a laser one or something like that, delivered in the next few days. So yeah, absolute pile of crap. It's just going to go straight in the bin. You saw when the block goes together, it wasn't aligning properly. The channels for the pipe to go through weren't big enough to allow the pipe to go in, which then created an oval to put the dies in. Useless. So I bought another one. Got this one off Amazon, next day delivery. We do have Prime, so I didn't pay for packaging, for delivery, sorry. And this was £16. And we are going to have another go at this one, because this one looks a lot more like the ones I saw on YouTube when I went and did the check to see how you use it, because there's no instructions come with these. I've never used one before. And this one looks much better quality, all out the box straight away. So it's got a view in there, so you can see the alignment. Rather than having the hex heads, it's got actual bolts to tighten this up. It's got a couple of different, it's got two different types of flaring. It's a flat flare, and then it's got the double flare, which we're gonna have a go at this one. Alignment tool, and again some lube. So we're gonna have a go at this and see if this one's any better, because it can't be any worse. I'm hoping I'm not wasting another £16. I was gonna get a laser one, but they're 50 quid. Am I going to use it once in a blue moon? What I should have actually done is gone over to my mate across the road, Mark, and borrowed his professional set. But I want my own set. You can't have enough tools, can you? So we're going to get this out. Just to give you, just cut a fresh bit of pipe. I did actually also to myself a pipe cutter, and this little piece of kit's fantastic. I think this was like £8. Really good piece of quality of kit. It's really good. Cuts through this pipe like a dream. And as I said, I did buy 50 feet of this stuff because it was just in the bundle and it was just cheaper to do it. Mainly because I wanted to make sure I had enough connectors for the for doing my brake lines in case broke anymore. So let's do that. Oh, also, yeah, please ignore my big nasty fingernail. Yeah, work on the Beetle the other week. Leverage on something, slipped. Yeah, that's what happens when you ram it straight into a brake drum at speed. I didn't cry, honestly. Didn't even cry, nothing. But yeah, right. Let's give this kit a quick go. Fingers are crossed. Well, I hope so. Although it's another 16. But anyway, let's give it a go. Okay, let's go through this. What you get in it? You get a handle. You get the block. I can already see that's a bigger size. Right. I've cut a piece here. That's already fairly loose. Oh yeah, yeah. This is going to work much better. I can already tell. We get the other one out. Can you see the difference in quality between these two? I think I've got all these chamfers everywhere, and there's no. And we've got a proper thread which is separate. Yeah, really happy with this. Right, let's take this apart and see how this works. Because I'm just interested, and then we need to get some sockets and things. Oh yeah, just having that in there to align it to make sure you don't round all these off. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is 100 times better already. So we got that handle. Let's put that on. Special punch grease. Do not eat. That's a spacer bolt. That's one type of die, and then this one is the double flange one. So we're going to use this now. On some of them, they have a thing which one's on it to see which one goes first. Now on the eBay, like the Amazon advert, it showed that printed on it, but I know it's this one first, and then it's that one. So we're okay. Right. I'm already really impressed with this. Let's just put this in here. Just loosen it, tighten it up a little bit, just to see how tight this thing's going to fit. Yeah, that is much better. If I show you the other one, I know we're comparing where I'm supposed to be. Ignore the flail on this end. I want to put this together. Can you see the difference? Because that doesn't quite fit in there properly, whereas that one fits nice and snug, which means the alignment's going to be better as well. Whereas this hasn't got a liner like this has to guide the dies in. This is crap. Right, get this out of the way. Let me go and get some ratchet spanners, and we're going to need, I think that's going to be a 16mm, and I need a ratchet, 16mm ratchet. Right, give me a second and we'll come back to this and give it a go. Okay, so I've got myself a ratchet spanner, and I've got myself a socket. This is a 17mm for that. I've got a deep one just to make sure it sits over the top okay. Right, I'll put a pipe in. It's moving there. You can see roughly where in the hallway you need to line it up. So we're going to go a little bit beyond that. Then we're going to finger tight these up. Just a smidgen. And then we're going to get the spacing bolt. Oops. Oh, where's that gone? That can go in there. You might be able to see it winding forward, so that's that fixed. And tighten that up and that one up. Just nip them. And that can come out. And then we are ready to go. Not that one, this one, isn't it? So that needs a bit of a little grease. And that goes in. And then And that should, no, a little bit more, a little bit more. That should do it. And then we'll loosen it off. And a bit on the other end. Hopefully my head's not getting in the way there. Apologies. I'm just looking forward to sorting this out. I made a mess of that. I've got too much. There, right. So that's got some grease on the end of it. I'll put this in. Should stop. Yeah. All the way in. Not quite. That's all the way in. And we'll crack it off. Undo those. So, what do we think? I'm not too sure. I think that looks all right. I'd happily have any advice on that, but that doesn't look too bad. The one I did originally, which is here, was all over the place. That's the crap one, and that's the one I've just done. I think it's a little bit flat on the back, but I'm not sure if that's right or not. So we're going to flip it over, and we'll give it another go. And there you go. Yeah. They look all right then for my first few. Yeah, well happy with those. On the video, I thought this was a bit more chamfered, but you know, we'll see. But yeah, that absolute dream to work. Not a problem at all with that. That's absolutely perfect. Easy to use. I mean, you saw, didn't you, the difference in using this to create some nice double flared ends on these pipes. This was a dream to use. Everything lined up, everything worked perfectly, and that was like £16 delivered. Granted, we got Prime, so we didn't pay for deliveries. That saved a few quid. But that kit compared to this abomination, no engineering in that, no refinement in that whatsoever. The fact that the pipe won't even fit in the furrow in between it. Avoid this at all costs. The only reason it's not so bad for me is because I got all of this with it. Otherwise, I'd have been really, really knocked off. But this is a piece of crap. If you see one similar to this, I think it also comes with a black thing on it, and it hasn't got the viewing hole. Don't buy it. Don't buy it. I don't care how much it is. I think I saw these on Amazon and eBay on their own, a similar pack for about 13 quid. So spend a little bit more money, get the one with the hole in it and the one that has the bolts that hold this clamps it together. Makes it much easier to use. Anyway, again, this was not what this video was supposed to be, although I did actually finally do my first bit of brake pipe flaring. I'm quite happy with that, but you know, let me know. That's how it's supposed to look like. Hopefully it does. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. Really happy with it. Right, I think we'll leave it there. So, what do we take from this? Buy this kit. Do not buy this kit. Right, I think we'll leave it there. Right, so what does it mean I can do now? I can now do this weekend the brake lines on the Beetle. I'm looking forward to that now. I really am looking forward to it. But yeah, this is going to be a useful piece of kit, I think. Right, we'll leave it there. So you had a bit of warning from a novice of which kit to get. Yeah, right. Made it this far. Thanks for watching. Cheers.